Good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're logging in, and happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's e-learning day is going well. You've been able to get in and do all your work. Make sure you do some of that Dreambox Lexia. I'm going to keep things very short and sweet for you guys today in writing. We're going to take another look at helping verbs, which we talked about yesterday. I'm going to do a quick reminder lesson, kind of talk you through the directions on the assignment, and then let you go ahead and get to work. So just a reminder that today, on helping verbs, we're looking at what is the helping verb that goes in front of the action verb, and then also what is the action verb. So if you remember, we talked about helping verbs often tell us the tense of a sentence and when the action verb happened. They're always going to come before the action verb in the sentence. So you can see the example on the chart here says, we will play a soccer game on Saturday. Will is the helping verb that tells us about when they're going to play. Will play means it's going to happen in the future, which will be on Saturday. So that helping verb is just an indicator of when that action verb is going to happen. It will happen, which means it hasn't happened yet. So on your assignment today, you're going to be asked to identify the helping verb, the action verb, and then the sentence tense. So if we look at a few examples, I'm going to underline the helping verb. I'm going to circle the action verb, and then we're going to talk about what tense the sentence is in. So on the first problem, it says, what will happen to the donuts after this morning? All right, so if I look at just the action verb first, happen is the action verb. That's what we're looking at, right? We're asking what will happen to the donuts. Will is the helping verb. That's telling us, it says after this morning, that is going to be in the future tense. I'm just going to put an F for future right here, right? Future tense. It hasn't happened yet. We're asking what will happen later. The next sentence says, Uncle Johnson has installed new lights in the dining room. So our action word here is installed, right? That's the action that Uncle Johnson did. He has installed them. Has installed, well, one includes we have an ed and installed, right, which tells us past, but also has tells us as a helping verb, he has already done it. So I'm going to put a P-A-S-T here for past tense. The next one says Homer will polish the metal trimmings on the steps this weekend. So again, polish is going to be what Homer does. That's his action word. Our helping verb right in front of it is will. Will polish tells us he hasn't done it yet. He's going to do it later. He will do it later. That is future tense. And then the last one says Clarence was talking to his teacher about last night's homework. Was talking. Talking is our action word. That's what he's doing. Clarence was talking means it's already happened. So that tells us that verb is, or this helping sentence is in past tense. So today on your assignment on Canvas, you're going to log in. And after you've logged in, which you have logged in already, you're watching this video, dumb, Mr. Hoffman. But after you watch this video, you're going to look at the first 4 sentences. You're going to do just what I did, except you're going to type out what was the helping verb, what was the action verb, and then you're going to tell me, was it past, present, or future tense? All right. There's an example done for you at the top, so you can look at that example. After you do those first 4, the next 2 questions, you are going to type out your own sentence. All right. You're going to make up your own sentence that has a helping verb and an action verb. And then you're going to identify the helping verb and action verb. Again, there's an example done for you. So look at those examples, rewatch the video, and listen to this quick little mini lesson we did if you need to rewatch the video. All right. This assignment's 6 points, 1 point for each question. You have to do every part of the question to get your full point. All right. You get a half point if you miss one of the parts. So a reminder, first 4 questions, you're going to identify the helping verb. You're going to identify the action verb, and then you're going to tell me what the tense of the sentence is. Okay. Look at the example. The last 2, you're typing your own sentence. You can use every sentence before that as an example on what you need to do. But in the ones you type on your own, you need a helping verb and you need an action verb, and you need to tell me what those were in your own sentence. All right. Hopefully this doesn't take you guys too long. Remember, get everything done for each class. Enjoy the rest of your e-learning day, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.